Good morning, everybody. It's Mr. Berkey. I'm going to work through how we are going to be doing our writing for today. I'm super excited to teach you all what we're going to be doing. Now, I'm on Christian's account right now to show you what you need to do before you're going to record your video for the Poetry Slam. First thing that we need to do every day is read the directions. Happy Monday! Number 1, watch the video. You're already doing that. Great job! Number 2, record yourself reading a poem from last week here. Before I click on the link, the blue thing, before I click on it, I need to come down and I need to find a poem that I wrote from last week that I want to read. Which one was your best poem? You're going to click on it, you're going to open it up, and then Mr. Berkey has some sticky notes here and a marker. I'm going to write down my entire poem. So Christian's got his poem. I'm going to write it down on my sticky notes, make sure that I have the entire thing written down, and then I'm going to come back over here. I'm going to click the X at the top, get out of there, and then come back up to /27 writing and click on Flipgrid. Now, once you're on Flipgrid, it's going to work you through what you need to do. For some reason, when Mr. Berkey's clicking on this, it's not letting me record a video. So I'm going to just show you what you need to do. You're going to need to read the directions. You're going to need to tap on the green plus sign. The way that we scroll up and down is by coming over here and scrolling up and down. You'll come down here and you'll click on the green plus sign. Okay? You'll click login with Google. And I'm not going to use Christian's account because for some reason it's not working with my computer. I'm just going to use my normal login. And it says login successful. And for some reason it's still saying that Flipgrid is blocked with my camera. It will not say this for yours. Instead, it will have a camera icon in the bottom and you'll just click on that. Right now I can't show you what it would be like to film because I'm filming myself recording this video. Okay? If you need some extra help with Flipgrid, Mr. Berkey is going to make another video and I'm going to put that up on the classroom stream. It's going to be a separate YouTube video so that I can show you how Flipgrid works. But once you're here, there will be an icon in the bottom and you will just click on that and you'll record yourself reading. As an example, Mr. Berkey is going to practice reading the beginning of a poem. So I'm going to start by saying, "Hi, my name is Mr. Berkey. I am in 3rd grade. And Emory." And then I'm going to start reading my poem. First, I'll say the title. The title of my poem is I Am From. And then I'm going to read in a very loud and proud voice, making sure that I look at the camera so that people can see my eyes. I'm going to say, I am from West Lafayette, Indiana, from cornfields by my school. And then I'll keep reading. Once I'm done, I'll click on the little video camera icon at the end, and then you'll be finished. Once you're finished, you'll be able to look and see other people's videos. And then you can click the X at the top and come back. There's one more thing that I'm going to need you to do today. You're going to need to click on example for writing. I just need to see how much time I have left. I have quite a bit of time left. You're going to read through the example. I'm going to read it out loud to you just in case you want to hear me read it. If not, you can just listen and look. Write 6 lines that rhyme with a pattern A, B, B, C, C. Watch the video if you need some help. All right, first things first, it says title. We need to write a title in. And Mr. Berkey already did because this is our example. Your teachers. Cool. So I know I'm going to be reading about my teachers. Notice the title is capitalized. We always capitalize our letters in our title. So please make sure you do that. Here we go. Math is taught by Miss Quigley. I made Miss Quigley purple and wrote an A next to it because the last word of the line has to rhyme with the last word of the next line. Number 2, she is quite wiggly. Ooh, A. Quigley and wiggly rhyme because they end with the same sound. Iggly, iggly, iggly. Quigley and wiggly, they rhyme. I'm going to go through and keep reading. Writing is taught by Mr. Berkey, but Talony has called him a turkey. Berkey and turkey rhyme because they both have the same in sound. Erky. 5, when we have candy, kids always say they want some. We are mean, so we give them a plum. Some and plum rhyme because they have the same in sound. Now, we read the example. Mr. Berkey wrote A next to the things that rhyme because A and A are the ones that rhyme together. B and B, Berkey and turkey, rhyme together. And some and plum, C and C, go together and they rhyme together. You do not have to write A, B, B, C, C. You can if that will help you. Mr. Berkey is going to go through and give you a second example. Please make sure we are reading and watching so that we know what we need to do. Now, first things first, we need to have a title. What can our title be? Mr. Berkey always likes to write his at the end. So I'm going to save the title until I'm done writing my poem. The first line can be anything, but we want to make sure that we end it with a word that's very easy to rhyme. I'm going to say, Mr. Berkey has a bunny. Mr. Berkey has a bunny. What word rhymes with bunny? There's a lot. Think, think, think. Raise your hand if you have one. What's a word that rhymes with bunny? Funny. So I'm going to come down to number 2. I'm going to click number 2. The bunny is funny. Why do bunny and funny rhyme? Because they both have the same end sound. They both end with unny. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and just leave those that way. And now we're going to come down. We need to start a new line. This one should not rhyme with the first two. It's going to be a different word that's going to end. Let's think of another word that's very easy to rhyme. I'm going to use a new one. Here we go. Ooh. Here we go. Mr. Berkey needs a nap. Uh-oh. I'm going to come down and I'm going to click number 4. Maybe he should give... Oops, Mr. Berkey made a mistake, so he's clicking the backspace. Should give himself a slap. Ooh! Slap and nap rhyme because they both have app at the end. Am I missing something in line number 4? What am I missing? I'm missing a period at the end of the sentence. Remember, we make a period at the end of a sentence by clicking the period button right here. I'm going to go back and I'm going to put a period at the end. Now I'm going to do number 5. This one should not rhyme. Mr. Berkey is reading a book. What do I need at the end of my sentence? A period. What word rhymes with book? Shook, cook, look. He will give his book a look. Book and look rhyme because they both end in ook. Great job, we are done. Now, what could the title of this poem be? Let's think. I'm going to say Mr. Berkey because the entire thing is about things that Mr. Berkey is doing. Your title should be about what your poem is about. Now we need to calm down and we need to make sure that we answer the question. What word rhymes with Mr. Berkey in the example? A couple of you have been writing full and complete sentences to answer this, like Rodrigo and Ari. Great job, boys. Keep it up. Make sure that you answer our special questions with complete sentences. Miss Kappas is looking for people for Lunch Bunch this week, and I'm going to let her know if people answer this fun question, then they might be able to come to Lunch Bunch this week too. Ooh. What word rhymes with Mr. Berkey in the example? Let's think. We can even go back and click on it and click on the example. What word rhymed with Mr. Berkey? Turkey. Do I just write turkey? No, I need to write a full and complete sentence. Turkey rhymes with Mr. Berkey. I can't wait to read your words that rhyme, and I can't wait to see what you come up with. Be creative, try your hardest, and please, please, please call me if you have any questions about how to use Flipgrid. I know it's a little bit confusing because it's the first time we're using it. Have a great day. Bye-bye.